Introducing the ZK400BL banknote strapping machine from Huijin. The ZK400BL is a fully automatic banknote packing equipment, which straps 10 packets of notes into one bundle in double cross with PP belt. The long band and the short bands fitted in one process is the most important feature for this machine. Now, let's take a look at how the machine works. First, turn it on, put the notes into the machine, and press the start. As the machine works, an indication is shown on the LCD display, informing the operator to which step it is running. Within several seconds, an orderly bundle which is tightly strapped is finished. Before the first strapping work of every day, it is required that the PP belts left in the track are refreshed. The long cut and the short cut buttons are here to help with the job. The ZK400BL machine also provides the availability of strapping the long or the short side only. The long band and the short band's buttons are to carry out strapping the referred side of the note. Let's see how they work. The short band, the long band. Whenever you need the machine to stop in the middle of its running, just press the reset button and the machine will come back to the starting position. Automatic and foolproof banknote strapping with ZK400BL from Huijin.